What's up, everybody? And I'm sorry about the video we had to do yesterday. That was gonna be a long video, was cancelled. So anyway, let's get back on with this vlog.
What's up, everybody? Today and you know it was my birthday yesterday, so let's complete this video. Come on, let's open up my present. It's another unboxing. One of my birthday presents it is. So it can tweet when I'm holding it. You can record, you can say things. Look. And you can also turn him off. But when you turn him off, he tweets. You cannot feed him because there's also food. And you can also put him in the cage and swing him a bit. I'm putting him in his cage where he can be safe. Subscribe, like, and if you need something, just comment down below. Subscribe. Until next time, peace out.